Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your avatar on the Facebook Messenger profile. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is sign into Messenger and select the menu icon in the bottom right corner. And then you want to go and select the settings gear button near the top and then go down underneath where it says preferences and select avatar. And then where it says make your avatar, go ahead and select that. And then you can go ahead and customize that either from a selfie or you can create one manually. And that is all you would have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.